Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05 available on your iPhone? So, I already installed the application what SOUNDPEATS offer for the earbuds, and if we open it, right here you can see that I already add these earbuds to the application. Here we go. So my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. But if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the application, you can check that videos at this channel. We have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!